In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the night light or blue light feature on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for night light. Best result should come back with night light right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you can go ahead and turn that on or off just by selecting this top option up here, and then you can adjust the strength of it, or select the schedule night light feature if you want to set it for specific times of day or night, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.